How do you build a repeatable pipeline B2B using webinars? Well, Telavox and Alexander figured it out, and today we'll share 3 of his proven strategies and tips for you to copy. And these are based on a lot of webinars and first-hand experience, so this will be some real value bombs. The first one is to create a good webinar environment. One of the biggest webinar host mistake is to underestimate the environment, so not having a clear and dedicated space to host your webinars. This could be a webinar room at the office, it could be a simple ring light and HD webcam at home, and or even a proper in-house studio, just like the one Telavox uses. So definitely creating clear space that you can go and everyone can go that hosts webinars within the organization to make sure it's a repeatable thing. The second one is to not let the technology restrict you. The tech should be something that helps you relax and create a great conversation, not just distract you from it. So this involves having a webinar platform that's easy to use, microphone, camera and lighting that you can rely on, but also things like dividing your roles within the webinar team. Have a clear chat moderator, someone that even handles the tech, as Alexander puts it. Have someone that can manage the webinar and make sure that it runs smoothly. The final piece is to relax. So essentially create an environment where the conversation will thrive in the webinar. It's not a one-way street. A good webinar should be a discussion and also bringing in that audience. So speak naturally is something Alexander found that really helped, instead of just reading the slides. Acknowledge comments and invite questions early on in the webinar, not just in a final Q&A. Also creating engagement in the chat and not just on the stage. Mention someone with name and thank them for the question. And step 4 is to use Univid to create engaging webinars in 60 seconds that drive real next steps, just like Telavox does. So feel free to check it out and create your own branding with AI. In 60 seconds you're up and running.